Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 7th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm showing you the kind of the short view of the Dow here. This is today's action. You can see here what happened. It opened positive, went a little bit negative right at the beginning of the day, and then took off. But it did hold pretty well here, closing officially up 98 points. Okay, here's the big news. If you've heard me moan and groan all last year, I kept saying that when things are working right with our algorithm, we should get into trades on one day, have closed positively, and then the next morning on the open, we see our open trade equity improve significantly and then get out with significantly higher profits than we had held the previous day on the close. And that's why I hold trades overnight. I did all kinds of research with day trading and concluded that I could come up with some day trading trades that were positive, but I made a lot more money by holding those trades just one night. So that's why I trade the way I trade. But all last year, I was getting punished for that. I kept getting it, having a good day, having good profits at the end of the day, and then next morning, those profits just get slashed, frequently in half, sometimes even going to losses. And that just kept happening over and over and over again. It was driving me crazy. Anyway, beginning of this year, I started saying I got a feeling about these stocks. I got the feeling about 2019. It feels different. Maybe 2019 is really going to be a big and very good year for us after having experienced my first losing year in 2018 in almost 20 years. Anyway, enough for my preamble here. On Friday, we closed with 29 positions, a huge number of positions. I had $13,000 positive in open trade equity, held it over the weekend. And what happens today coming in? Well, it's a little bit confusing here, but if I take all the trades that I closed out today, plus the trades from Friday that I held over, so we're still holding some of those, and add that all up, that $13,000 went to over $75,000 today, if you can believe it. It was just like, I couldn't believe it. And suddenly, at least so far in 2019, my algorithm is working the way it's supposed to be. And we made a ton of money today. And I'm happy. I am really happy. Anyway, officially what happened is we closed out positive $43,000, but we held several trades from Friday over, so we're holding currently 18 positions total. That's what we held over plus what we got into new today. 12 of those are positive, 6 are negative, and we're carrying positive over $35,000 going into tomorrow. And I think I stated that the Dow officially closed up 98 points. So it's just an unbelievable day. Absolutely, this is the best day that I have had in over a year. So and that's real good. All right. I'm breathless. Let me show you. I'll show you 3 of the really good trades today, but almost everything was good today. This first trade I'm showing, this is Excellicus. EXELIXIS. It's EXEL is the stock symbol. Excel. And we had gotten this on Friday, and we closed with a small profit on Friday. But look at this thing. This blew its top, and of course that keeps us in the trade for another day. And we're holding $4,500 open trade equity in Excel. Next, it gets better. Okay, this is LCI, which is Lanet Company. And we had bought this on Friday, first hour, and it closed just marginally profitable there. And then it just exploded today. Really took off there. And we are holding $11,800 in open trade equity in Lanet Company. See, these are trades that we took on Friday, but we stayed into. And so is this last one. And to get there, just give me a second here. This is Laboo. This is our biotech bull. And I may have shown you this on Friday, but anyway, we got into it. We had a decent profit on Friday, but then this thing just leaps today and takes off there and held up fine all day. Never even had a retracement there that looked like anything all day long. And we're holding $13,400 positive in Laboo. And this is the biotech bull. And, I'm kind of amazed with this. The president has been frequently, when he talks about healthcare, he talks about forcing drug companies to charge less money for drugs. And I think we all agree that that would be a good thing. But for some reason, that kind of talk doesn't seem to be impacting the biotech sector at all. It just keeps roaring, and it certainly roared today, and we benefit from it. We don't trade based on the morality of the business that the stocks do. We just trade on price movement. That's the way the algorithm works. Anyway, great trade in Laboo. Over $13,000 here we're holding. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Anyway, Trader Bob is happy. And I will be back here tomorrow on Tuesday trading again.